Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain what is a CRT and what is an extra buck and how to use them. So go ahead, click the subscribe button.
First thing you're gonna want to do is go to your local CVS and sign up for the extra care pass. Or not pass, I'm sorry, that's a whole different thing. Card. This is what's gonna give you your CRTs. If you forget it when you go shopping, you can use your phone number. So you can also go to the red box. They have red boxes at every CVS. Just not all of them are working because mine has been down for a while now. So there's another one not too far, about 10 minutes away. Sometimes I'll go there if they have some good instant coupons. Otherwise, all the CRTs that you need is gonna be on your app, and most of the time there are no issues. At least I haven't had no issues with just clicking on them and they've been taken off at the register without having to have them in my hand. So also, if you don't mark them and you go to the store, you go shopping at CVS, they'll print them out, a big old receipt, and you'll get at least 5 or more of them on your receipt. So whichever day you decide to go scan your card, your extra care card, is the day that they expire. So they're good for a week. So today is Wednesday. So say for example, you're gonna go today, you're gonna go scan your card, and they're not gonna expire till next week Wednesday. I'm trying to keep it short and to the point, but trying to give you details of each thing too, so sorry for talking too much. So since I mentioned it in the last video about the care pass, that is another thing too that you can sign up. You can sign up online or in person. I would kind of suggest that you would, or highly recommend that you would. The first month is free. So you're getting $10 absolutely for free. So all you need is your credit card or a debit card. And the next few, if you don't want to do it after the first month, you get your free $10. Cancel the membership and there you go. You got free $10. But I would recommend you do it for the whole year. You pay $5 for 1 month, then you're getting $10 back. So if you sign up today, today's the 22nd. So next month on the 22nd, you're going to get $10 from the care pass. So basically you're getting $5 for free, or you're getting your money back. You're paying $5 and you're getting $10, so you're getting free money right there. So if you're gonna be a CVS shopper consistently every week, that really helps and it's good to have. So go ahead and sign that up. You're gonna get free delivery on eligible items at cvs.com. You're gonna get a 20% discount on CVS brand beauty health brand, sorry. So go ahead and sign up for that as well. So let's start off with the first example that I have for you. The first example is a $4 off 14 Head and Shoulders hair care. Now, if you want to use both of them that you have here, there's 2 of them. Your total price has to be $28 or more. If you want to just use the one, your total has to be $14. So along with these CRTs, you can use, like for example, this next coming week, they're gonna have $3 instant coupon in the red box. You can use the $3 off instant coupon. If you're spending $14, you can use the $4 off 14, and you can also use manufacturer coupons. Now, if the coupon says you can use more than 1 coupon, you can use 2 coupons alongside with the CRT as well to make it extra savings. Now this one is probably not the best example, but this one is just $3 off. It doesn't say $3 off 14 or 10. So you can use 2 of these on the same product. So if you're gonna buy the CVS Health Baby Diapers and you have 2 CRTs that look like this, you can use them both on the 1 package of diapers. You don't have to use them for 2 different packages. Finally, we have the extra care bucks. Now these are just like coupons. You're going to give it to the cashier alongside with your CRTs and all your coupons. You will not receive change back from these. These are not money. So whatever you give her, make sure it's not over because you will not receive any change. These, at least not in my states, they do not take it for tax. Maybe in other states, I think they might do it in other states, but here in Illinois, you cannot pay these for tax. You're going to have to pay all your tax out of pocket.
So in order to receive your extra care bucks, look in the ad and see what's kind of extra care bucks, what kind of deals you're going to get your extra care buck. You'll also get extra care bucks for hitting beauty. If you have not yet signed up in your app, go sign up and go click your beauty and make sure it's activated. Mine wasn't activated, and I also was so confused when I started using extra care bucks. I thought I could use it as money. I waited till she sent all the coupons, and that's when I gave it to her. But she still took it, but I was confused. I was so confused. So go ahead and sign up for extra care, and when you hit $30, no matter how much you spend, $30 in, let's say, lotion, shampoos, makeup, I think hair dye qualifies. Body wash does not qualify, but makeup, shampoo, all that will qualify towards beauty, and you'll get $3 for every $30 that you spend. I hope that kind of helped you guys out, especially if you're a newbie at shopping or at CVS or just needed a little help. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm a newbie just as well as I'm trying to help you newbies out as well. So as a newbie YouTuber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will help more in the future. I try to keep it short and to the point. I'm sorry, I think my hands are all over the place in the background. I just talk with my hands. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a wonderful day and stay safe.